Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at the top 5 baking cups available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Reusable Baking Cups. When it comes to baking and cooking, using the correct tools for the job is essential for achieving the perfect results time and time again. That's why Amazon Basics has started selling silicone baking cups. These reusable cups are great for baking muffins or brownie batter, as well as for healthy lunches and snacks. No greasing or cooking spray is needed. These dishes release easily from these silicone cups without any of that messy business. This set of 12 offers a cost-saving alternative to disposable paper cups but also does not compromise in quality because they work with any standard muffin pan and are oven, microwave and freezer safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. The dishwasher safe cups are also stained and odor resistant and offer the same quality as name brands. Available in 4 colors in packs of 2 each: pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The Amazon Basics reusable silicone baking cups are the perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Gifbera Silver Foil Baking Cups. These cupcake liners are designed to make your cupcakes and muffins look festive. Each package comes with 200 premium silver foil and greaseproof paper muffin liners, standard size, heavy-duty, easy release. The cups line measure 2 3/4, top diam. By 2 inches, bottom diam. By 1 1/4. These liners are perfect for your theme party or special occasion. The cupcake liners consist of 2 different materials. The one is the metallic foil that keeps bright color when in the oven. And the other one is the greaseproof paper which prevents sticking and makes your baked goods easily released from the cupcake pan. These cupcake liners are made of high-quality materials that make sure these disposable paper cups will last a long time even after multiple times use and reuse. The realistic color of silver foil with a touch of shine makes it stand out well on any occasion, especially when you're decorating your cupcakes or muffins at parties and weddings. They're also designed to make your baked goods, as well as your workpiece, look festive and classier. These foil liners are very useful for more than just cupcakes and muffins. You can use them for many purposes like wrapping gifts, covering wear, etc. The cupcake liners are perfect for organizing clothes in your closet or linen laundry room to keep them clean and tidy. The container can protect smaller articles like hats from dusting. These foil liners have numerous uses in many different locations, but you should always check the approval of the owner before using these products in a public place or workplace. Number 3. UniFirst Gold Foil Metallic Baking Cups. UniFirst, a professional manufacturer and supplier of muffin papers, has just introduced the most advanced, eco-friendly metallic foil cupcake liners to the world. These standard muffin papers weigh 60 grams of paper, are non-sticky, easy to peel off without sticking or leaking dye, and are perfect for baking a variety of desserts. Not only do they come in beautiful colors like gold and silver with a metallic finish that coordinates with any occasion theme or color scheme because it's made from food-grade material. The latest environmentally friendly food-grade metallic foil cupcake liners in the world. Use these baking cups worry-free. Our baking cups have passed all tests for food safety. An average baking temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, time, 10 to 20 minutes. And we offer these cupcake cases at wholesale price with the best customer service. UniFirst first brought the cupcake liners to China in 2009. Since then, they have been a favorite among Chinese housewives and those who enjoy baking. The cupcake cases are perfect for cupcakes, muffins, bacon bits, and other specialty culinary treats that people enjoy. UniFirst Gold Standard Metallic Foil Cups are a great way to make your special occasions more memorable and beautiful. Put your logo name on the foil. Let them shine and reflect enough light to attract people's attention. Number 4. Wilton Multi-Baking Cups. Wilton Multi-Baking Cups are the perfect and easy way to create festive cupcakes and muffins for your next party. Made from brightly colored fluted paper, these cups are quick, colorful, and festive. They're also great for holding candies, nuts, or other party snacks. Perfect for your theme party. The Wilton Mini Blossom baking cups are made of high-quality paper material that will not bleed when you bake your goodies in them. These 1 3/8 inch diameter baking cups have a fun floral design around the edges that frame the center opening of each cupcake. The bright colors make them perfect to go with any color scheme or theme you have in mind. These baking cups are part of the Wilton Multi-Baking Cups package. The package includes 150 baking cups in assorted colors. Each baking cup contains 2 fluted and 2 solid round bottom layers. Each bottom section has sturdy, yet flexible crumple features that keep your cupcakes or muffins protected during transport and storage. The base color of the flowers in all varieties is pink, which contrasts well with the bright, white centers and fun fluted details throughout each multi-slice baking cup. Number 5. Zonin Baking Paper Baking Cups. It's no secret that baked goods are among the most popular items to serve at parties and gatherings. What might be a secret, however, is how much more enjoyable it can be to bake your own baked goods, rather than relying on someone else's pastries. If you want to go for something a little different this time around and show off your skills in the kitchen, then these paper cupcakes wrappers will certainly make things easier for you. Each package includes 1,000 pieces of cupcake liners in various sizes, so you'll have enough of these baking cups to last you for months or even years. This is not something that can be bought in the store. As a baking discovery, you are sure to create something great in no time at all. The cupcake wrappers include various sizes of paper cupcake wrappers, 1.97 inch - 57 millimeters. With water-based ink, no smells, no leaking dyes, and non-toxic, reliable to use. You can feel free to use any food coloring or additives if you wish. This paper cupcake wrapper is made up of a plastic coating on both sides.